Air conditioning companies are seeing a spike in calls today from people trying to stay cool. 10 News reporter Amanda Brandeis met one at one of their stops in El Cajon. And Amanda, exactly what are those technicians dealing with?
Well, ASI has received over 1,200 calls for repair and maintenance of air conditioners. That's just today. What they're seeing a lot of is this: dirty filters. If you don't clean your filter, it can cause big problems.
And it's over 100 degrees, so it's pretty hot.
And as the temperatures get hotter, homeowners are desperate for relief. This El Cajon family is relying on fans after finding out their AC could no longer do the job.
Well, we went to use the air conditioner last night, and it just was blowing hot air, so we decided we'd give them a call and ask them to come on out and take a look at things.
It's like you're up and down all night long because you just can't get too comfortable with the heat.
ASI technicians are working 14-hour days during this heat wave, trying to reach every home in need.
8 times out of 10, it's the dirty filter that's causing things to break down, such as parts going bad, because it's like sucking through a straw.
Philo Mittman says changing your filter is like an oil change. It needs to be done every 3 months, and they only cost $5 to $10. A dirty filter increases your energy costs and causes more expensive problems later on.
So this part has gone completely bad.
Technicians say this capacitor was in serious need of being replaced, and the homeowners are lucky it didn't explode. ASI says it's far too common. For most homeowners, the AC is out of sight, out of mind.
I think we'll change what we're doing a little bit here.
This family is grateful for the knowledge and now some real relief from the heat.
I'm happy. I'll be able to sleep good tonight in my own bed.
Now this is that capacitor we're talking about. This area right here, this is supposed to be flat. So this one is on the verge of exploding. We're told if that happens, you get a lot of sticky stuff in your air conditioning that you don't want to deal with. So if you've never done maintenance on your AC, now is a great time to try and do that. Reporting live in El Cajon, Amanda Brandeis, 10 News.